application development platform for all of you as Windows developers so that you can use all of this investment we've put into crawling the web and understanding entities. You can use that, see that, and build that richness into your applications running on top of Windows. So I would say we have moved from Bing Super and outside. You'll see Bing inside, the whole family of Windows devices and the cool new applications that all of you are building. To show you some of these innovations, to demonstrate them to you, we're going to have Julie Larson-Green, who runs our Windows group, Antoine LeBlanc, who runs program management and kind of design conceptualization for Windows, and Gurdeep Singh Paul from our Bing team come on out and show you some of the exciting innovations that I had a chance to talk to you about. I'll rejoin you in a little bit, but welcome, Julie, and enjoy the show.
Okay, thanks, Steve. So I've got a demo to show you, but the most exciting feature that you'll see is the fact that we're here in 8 months with an update that shows how much more responsive our engineering has become. Now, I remember when I was here at the developer conference for Windows 7, and we were really proud of that release. It unlocked a whole new generation of PCs called Ultrabooks, and those were the best ones that were ever made at the time. They were really a breakthrough products. And then when I came back exactly 3 years later to unveil Windows 8. And it was about enabling another generation of PCs, tablets that can do everything. Windows 8 was the most ambitious vision for Windows ever, one that introduced a new platform, experience, app model, and more. So today, I'm going to show you Windows 8.1. It's an update that refines the vision of Windows 8. And it's responsive to the latest industry trends, from supporting the newest silicon to the widest range of devices. At the same time, we've been delivering continuous improvement. We've had over 800 updates to Windows since we launched in November that address everything from performance, efficiency, to the look and feel and new features in the product. We designed 8.1 to feel natural on everything from the new mini small tablets up to large, powerful workstations. And so I'm going to give you a glance at all of those things. Right here I have the one that Steve was talking about, the Acer 8-inch. I'm going to go over and show you a little bit about how we've designed the system to work really great with these devices. I'm going to use the one connected to the projector. And here I am with a new start screen for the small device. Works great in portrait mode. These devices are really easy to carry around in your bag or your purse, and are great for reading. So we have Nook Reader right here. But we didn't really just stop there. We also rethought the way that you can be productive on these small devices and came up with some innovative ways to use an on-screen keyboard. So I'm going to go to Twitter. No internet connection. That will make it hard to tweet. And right away, you see an application that was designed, or an app designed for this 8-inch portrait form factor. So here's the on-screen keyboard, and I'm at the build keynote. It started at 9. I'm going to tweet that. So as I start typing, immediately, you start to see the suggestions at the top. It has B, build, Bing as suggestions for me. Normally, I would take my hands away from the keyboard, go to the top, press one of those, and continue typing. With Windows 8.1, we've added gestures to the on-screen keyboard. So as I slide my finger on the spacebar, it selects across. I see the one that I want. I tap, and it gives me the word. I do that again. So I'm just going to slide my finger on the spacebar, crowd it across, and tap, and the word. I'm going to type at. Another way that we do gestures is on the keypad itself. So one of the things that's most annoying about an on-screen keyboard is going to the keypad for numbers and then coming back and typing. So instead, with Windows 8.1, I can use a gesture to slide up and put in a number. So here I go with 9. Slide up. Whoop, I slid the whole thing. slide up for the colon, 0, 0. And to show you what I'm doing here, I'm going to press and hold on the question mark. Now I can slide in any direction to get my exclamation point or pound sign or anything else I want. And it's just that easy. So when we launched Windows 8, it was on these larger tablets, tablets that can do everything. And it was all about making you productive and helping you get things done that you wanted to go do. Some of the things that we've improved in Windows 8.1 are around email, around searching, that Steve talked about before,